Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Here we have a 2X cotton, soft style, I believe, maybe. Oh wow, a black thread. Yeah.
Not a black hair. So
not a hair, a thread.
Maybe specific. Get it off. Okay.
That would not be as cool. Yeah, it did come off of our giant rack of t-shirts and all. There are black t-shirts on there, so that's probably where it came from. What's this one gonna be?
This one is gonna be like it's like a little diagonal pattern almost.
A little diagonal pattern. I'm down to see.
Describe it. It's gonna do this.
Oh, wavy
You got
pattern.
that?
Wavy.
Yeah.
Let's see what she can come up with. Very interested. We've been trying out some new designs here lately.
Let me think. You like pleat it one way? I think we've done one of these before.
We probably have. We've done so much stuff. I mean, there's a lot of stuff we've done that never even got posted. There's so much stuff we've done. Have to take a deep dive through that catalog and just see what there is on offer. Beautiful, beautiful pleats. Coming together quite nicely. Oh yeah, the striped one. I remember this one. This one was really cool. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a long time since we did this one, but yeah, I remember it now. It's hard because you got to keep going at that weird angle like that, but we'll see what we come up with. So, we have all sorts of new color offerings for this one. I don't swap sides with it. Did a quick refresher on our last video.
I should include the sleeve. I probably should, or it'll look funky.
Yeah, I would put the sleeve as well. We normally do, at least. I don't know. Sometimes we don't, but typically we pleat all the way across when we pleat.
This is going really hard.
Yeah, the only time we don't normally pleat the sleeve are like the pleated yokes. We won't do the sleeves. Things like that. I don't know. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do. If you want to leave the sleeve out and pleat the sleeve separate, that's fine.
Oh my gosh, it's just so thick.
I know. It's a lot of material. This is what, a 2X?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big shirt. Whole lot of canvas. A lot of real estate on this one.
I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but
It will be beautiful.
we're trying new stuff.
It will be beautiful. It will be different. We deviated.
Tie-dye is a work of art.
Yep. Each time is a work of art. We deviated from the original plan, by the way, people. We took a pause break and decided to do something a little different, so.
I think maybe I should only go like one more this way.
One more and then call it and leave the top of it open?
No, and then I'm gonna try to do it the other way.
Oh, I see.
Okay. You see what I'm doing?
Yep.
I don't know if this is gonna work.
Lots of
Okay.
pleats.
Wait, okay, so it's going this way, so then I need to go this way.
Right. We've swapped direction. This makes 3 times now on the pleats, people. We just started out going diagonal, Then we did some the other way diagonal, and now we're going just straight across vertically for the remainder. I think it's going to look pretty cool. It's definitely getting warm again, folks, because I just got bit by a mosquito. Sign the heat's rolling back in. Look at that. Wow. That's a whole lot of tie-dye there.
So then...
Get it banded up. What colors you got planned for this one?
I don't even know.
Have to wait and see.
Because I think I'm still going to go another direction.
Different color pattern. It's all about being creative and trying something new and different. To the dyeing rack?
Hold on, I think
You need one more.
then I'm going to do, if I can. I don't
Roll
know.
it.
That's
Oh.
ambitious.
Oh,
It's
that is ambitious.
I don't think it'll go because it's
I don't
so
think it's long
thick.
enough.
Yeah,
I don't think it's long enough to roll.
let's see what we got with this.
Yeah,
so far.
you've already got quite a creation there. We're trying to get wild with it, if you can't tell, people. Let's see what we end up, though.
Is
To
my
the dyeing
basketball
rack.
there? Where's my tub?
Your tub. Oh, it's on the other side.
Okay.
Yep.
Where's that?
We were playing football out here earlier, so I had to set all the stuff around. So what do we have first there? Is that dragons?
Yes.
Dragon fruit, sorry. No S, I keep forgetting.
Yeah. Dragon.
Fruit of the dragon.
And then I'm going to use some of our
Orange of the deep.
super clears.
Super clear. Orange of the deep. Deep orange. Oh man, mosquitoes are bad out here. I'm gonna have to fire the thermocell up for the next one. And then to use it in a few months.
Some lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow. With
I think they
super
need
clear.
Even more super clear.
More super clear.
Even
More super clear, she says. I can do that.
more. Oh, I have no doubt.
This will make some space for some more. We definitely got some more in our last order too. It said to use a whole lot of it. I didn't, like last time we used the amount that it said to use, it made our dye almost unusable. Because it says for no spreading, use straight super clear. Just use all super clear. There's no way. There's no way. There would be no spreading, I can promise you that. I don't think they're lying about the spreading part.
We need to get
Oh, the
scissors.
skeezers.
Let me go grab them.
Quick
Like,
pause for the skizzers, people. Snip. Good and snapped.
There we go.
Oh, you opened that one up big.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done it that way.
Yeah.
Well,
It just had some stuff stuck in it. Yeah, we had to cut the very tip off. That's okay. That's
lessons
okay.
learned. Hindsight is always 20/20.
We have plenty of tops. I think it'll be all right. You needed a little more flow anyways for this one. We got plenty of real estate on this one, so
There we go.
get a good gradient. Like I said, that
There we go.
was that golden yellow?
Lemon.
Lemon yellow. Lemon yellow back into it.
There we go.
Looking good. Little pinch of the sorbet.
No, this is
Deep.
orange.
Sorry.
Did you salt types a little
I'm
today?
all over it today, man. It's been a long one. What do we got next?
No, this one.
Baby blue?
Sky.
Sky. I couldn't see it. Sky blue. Definitely a beautiful blue. Nice.
That's nice.
tip. Very tip. Yeah. Perfect.
There we go.
Perfect. 'Cause even like that, they're pretty big, you know. The precision tips we typically drill out, but then they don't flow very much. And it's hard to do big shirts with them.
Okay, and then I'm gonna start it over again.
That's gonna be all the colors you use?
Yeah. Almost.
Okay, that was lavender, right?
Yes. Oh shit.
So, all told on this one,
Dragon fruit.
we have dragon. Well, wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Dragon fruit, yeah. All told on this one, we have dragon fruit, lemon yellow, deep orange,
Yeah.
lime pop, lavender, sky blue.
Yeah. That's it.
Yep. What a color combo.
Where's my leg?
I said it's right next to your foot. And then she's just repeating the process over again. Dragon fruit, deep orange, lemon yellow, lime pop, sky blue, and lavender. Over again. What a beautiful tie-dye. So make sure and shake those good. Yeah, you ain't gonna worry about it. We'll cap them when we're done.
Plus we have plenty more where that came from.
Oh yeah. We're pretty well loaded down on supplies. Got some new filming equipment. Got some new audio stuff. Hopefully we'll be here soon. We're picking it on up.
All right, last one.
Lavender.
Top that sucker off.
Still got a flop, don't we?
Yep.
Do the tie-dye flop. Do the tie-dye flop.
Beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love it.
Yes, it definitely is. Woo!
Okay. We got
Look at that. Oh man, that's a nice marble pattern there. I've thought about doing one like this actually, people. Tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments below. If we did one like this and only did one side of it and then just let it bleach through overnight, what do you think about that? Do you think it would look cool or would it look goofy? I don't know. Let us know in the comments below because I've been kind of wanting to try it. Just let us know what you think. Obviously, we would do a special design for it. We wouldn't just do it on anything, but I do want to try it on some type of design. Some pleated style like this, maybe. I don't know. Let me know what you think. And we've got let's see, we got a red, white, and blue one we're doing pretty soon from the comments. Had that request a few times. I've always wanted to do that. We almost did it at around Independence Day. I don't know why we chose not to. I can't remember. Something happened. We didn't end up dyeing any like that. But yeah, make sure to shake that good.
It's just that green one because the top is so big.
But yeah, for some reason we didn't end up doing one that way that day. Maybe we did reverses or something, I can't remember. I think that was it. Especially now that we have this nice mist gray.
I know, I can't wait to try that one.
Yeah. I think we could do a red, blue, and mist gray for sure. It would look cool. Because I think that would be a way to like ensure that the shirt stays white in certain spots. But then again, it's just typical spiral red, white, and blue. It would look pretty cool as well. So I don't know. Guess it just depends. We're just trying to do new cool stuff. Expand our palette a little bit. We are doing another shibori dye too real soon.
That was fun.
Yeah.
We'll have to revisit that one later.
Yeah, so I'd still shake it real good. I can see the flecks of dye in it.
Trust me, I know. Okay. And end it all with some lavender.
A little more lab to polish it off. This could be a long one. I'm sorry, folks.
You want more intricate designs.
Oh yeah, this is how they have to happen. If you want intricate designs, they're gonna take a little longer. To the drying rack?
Yeah, to the dry.
Let's go. To the drying rack. Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.